After soaking the seeds, strain them. Slit the styrofoam in half. Pour a hole in the styrofoam. Fill the styrofoam with the planting medium until it's evenly filled. Sprinkle the seeds evenly over the planting medium. Lightly cover the seeds evenly, ensuring they're completely covered. Then, place 3 stones in the styrofoam. Fill the styrofoam with water. Fold the styrofoam filled with water with stones and water. When the seeds start to germinate, spray them. Always monitor the water level in the styrofoam. The root growth is good. The plants are ready to be harvested.